Anderson via email says, "Hi Paul, I recently got a 2013 CC and I've been watching your show. Very informative show, keep it up. This past month I've done 2 mods, a can-end cold air intake and an APR stage 1 flash. Car is running great, however there's something I noticed while doing a hard acceleration. When I step on the throttle the car accelerates, but sometimes in the middle of the acceleration, without lifting my foot, the throttle pauses for a second and the intake blows off, then goes right back to acceleration. I'm not sure if that's something I should be worried about, please help me out."
Anderson, so what it sounds like you're referring to is actually traction control kicking in. So what's happening is as you're mashing the throttle, the tires start to spin. The vehicle recognizes, okay, the tires are spinning. It's going to kick in traction control, which is going to pull back the throttle, which is why you feel it kind of pull back and then release the excess boost, and then it'll come back once it sees traction again. Most likely that's what you're experiencing. If that's not the case, then you might want to have it looked at to determine what's going on, because you might have an issue. You should have a button to actually turn off traction control, and so that should be able to help you determine if that's what the issue is.